Into Mike V. Gated. How's it going? Today I am heading north because I'm going to Clervaux. I haven't been there in a while. I'm gonna go to the Clervaux Castle, check out the Family of Man exhibit, world-renowned UNESCO heritage site. I'm gonna go to the Abbey, and then I'm just gonna explore around and see whatever catches my fancy. Why don't you join me? It will be a lot of fun. Clervaux. Let's go do some exploring. The Clervaux Castle, where the Family of Man exhibit is not open until noon, and I'm a bit early. I thought I would go up there and see if that's going to get me to the Abbey. It looks like it goes up. I think the Abbey is right up there. This is nice because it seems like all you got to do is follow the bells. Okay, that way, which is that way. Taking photos is not permitted in the Family of Man exhibit, but I was told that it was okay if I shot a hyperlapse video. Wow, I thought that was really, really powerful. Those photos are amazing, and Luxembourg is really the perfect place for that to be, not only because Edward Steichen curated it, but because Luxembourg has people from like, what, 173 countries here. Those photos take in the whole world. Luxembourg is like the exhibit. Luxembourg is the Family of Man too. Les Châteaux Forts Luxembourgeois, maquettes, castles in miniature form, as it were. If you're like me and you like maps and models, this is really cool. This is Clervaux Castle now, and then over here is Clervaux Castle during World War II. The level of detail in this is pretty amazing. See the soldiers down there. Well, that was a really fun visit. So we visited the Abbey, that checked the spiritual box. We had a visit to the Family of Man photo exhibit. So that was the artistic box was checked. And then the models of the miniature castles, that was really cool. So that checked off the history box. So a full day. Thank you for joining me all summer on Mike's Summer 2020. And I'll see you down the road. Addy, ciao, tip top.